Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Nutella brownies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare an 8x8-inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper. Next, gather your simple ingredients: 1 cup of Nutella, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, combine the 1 cup of Nutella, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well blended and smooth. Then, gently fold in the 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and the pinch of salt. Be careful not to overmix. Just combine until no dry streaks remain. This ensures a tender brownie texture. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your delicious Nutella brownie batter into the prepared 8x8-inch pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack before slicing. This step is crucial for perfect, fudgy brownies. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Once your brownies are completely cool, use the parchment paper to lift them out of the pan onto a cutting board. Now, you can slice them into perfect squares. I recommend cutting them into 9 or 16 pieces, depending on how generous you're feeling. These fudgy Nutella brownies are incredibly rich and satisfying. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.